Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to Sang Academy English. So I'm here in Vietnam. So as you can see here is Highland Coffee. Highland Coffee is the famous coffee in Vietnam. So today, I'm going to order coffee in English. So let's say that if the staff here they can speak English. So you want to know that? Go together. Okay, we order some coffee. Yeah. So do you have any recommends for your menu here? So for non-coffee, what's your recommendation? Non-coffee, yeah. I don't eat coffee. I don't drink coffee. Okay, tea. So tea with peach, Julie, yeah. Okay, tea with peach, yeah. For two, please, medium size. Okay.
Do a hot or cold?
Cold, please. No thanks. How much is that?
49.
It's 49 Vietnamese, no, right? Yeah, two. Two is. I'm asking here, yeah. Tea with peach for two. Video, this 49 for one is 98, yeah. Is that here?
You want to stay here or to go?
Yeah. Okay, it's okay. We just like so we from Laos, so we visit here. So we're doing this is really good coffee. So we want to introduce to Laos people to what is coffee in Vietnam. It's really good, and also you guys is really beautiful here. So we're doing that.
Yeah.
Okay.
One or two times enjoy the number.
Okay. So thank you. Okay, wait you there. So here we are at the Highland Coffee. As I said, Highland Coffee is the famous coffee in Vietnam. So they have just amazing view. So you can see the view here. Okay.
We are dreaming in the dark. We are nothing more than dust. Search but you stay lost. We are.
Yeah, that's cool. Just you guys want to try, I recommend you that this is the best coffee to try in Vietnam is actually here is for Highland Coffee. So really amazing, it's good coffee and good service here. The staff are really nice. So you should try if you come to Vietnam. Let's go. So here guys, so what you can see is basically the name is Highland Coffee. So Highland Coffee actually the amazing coffee in Vietnam. So I would recommend you if you come to Vietnam, you should try this coffee. Actually I love this coffee, so I come here a lot. I mean weekly or. The price for this coffee is the medium size. Medium size is only 49K, like 49,000 Vietnamese dong. So it's not expensive. So you should try it. Yeah? So anyway, so when you are in the coffee shop, so what you can ask is just easy in English. You can ask them when you want to order coffee. Actually, they already have the menu there. So you just choose which one you need. So the price is there. Just really ask is cold or hot with ice or no ice, something like that. So that is famous word you can use here. If you want to ask the prices, you can ask is like how much is that? How much does it cost? You can use a medium size, a large size, and a small size. So that's all kind of words you can use. Hello everyone, so I'm here in Vietnam. So I've been here 4 weeks ago, so I'm going back to my university. But unfortunately, that's a university. So like they extend the holidays for the Vietnamese New Year. So maybe this week and next week we have no class actually due to the outbreak of coronavirus. So that's in Vietnam is the school been closed. Sadly, so for me, I'm here. This is nothing. So from now on, you will see my videos or I will film in Vietnam because I have to be here at least 18 months. So I don't know about that. So what I'm going to do from now is, like in Laos, I'm going to interview all the Vietnamese students in each university, like start from my university first. After that, I'm going to go to like the famous university in Vietnam. They have the like RMIT University as for the rich kids university in Vietnam.